anyone that employs illegal aliens will be coming.
HSI Alabama sending a strong message to companies who employ undocumented migrants. Under Alabama law, every business or employer must enroll in E-Verify. It's a system that compares information from an employee's I-9 to records available to government agencies to confirm if an individual is authorized to work in the United States. Acting Assistant Special Agent in Charge PJ Lavoie could not speak on behalf of what contractors or subcontractors would have to do to verify employees, or if it was possible that the individuals arrested were using stolen identities.
I only have their true identities. I can't speak to any stolen identities at this time.
Tuesday's raid was not the first time federal agencies have targeted construction sites. Since January, FBI Mobile, HSI Alabama, and its partners have conducted multiple operations at what appear to be job sites in Baldwin and Mobile counties.
I think the simple answer is Baldwin County is one of the fastest growing counties in the country. So there is a large amount of construction and growth. It's not just the construction industry, but that is a hotbed per se right now.
Senator Tommy Tuberville saying President Trump's actions to secure the southern border have given the U.S. an opportunity to make improvements to our immigration system. He also believes there is a need for an increase in workforce development.
I know I've heard from a lot of people back in Alabama about construction. What are we going to do? How are we going to get workers? I totally agree with you. We need people to work. We need people to get off the couch and go back to work. We need to make sure that we have workers in this country. We need to train, as I said earlier. But again, the law is the law. And if you have people and don't go through E-Verify systems and don't make sure that they're legal to be here, we're going to have those problems.